I am Anvi Agrawal. Allotment of security. As per Section 39 of the Companies Act 2030, um, every making a company may make allotment if the following two conditions have been satisfied. First, the minimum amount stated in the prospectus has been subscribed and SEBI has specified 90%. Second, the application money has been received by company by check or by any other instrument. The application money shall not be less than 5% of the nominal amount of the security or such other percentage or rate as may be specified by SEBI, which is 100% of issue price in case of OFS and 25% of issue price in other cases. The company where the minimum amount has not been subscribed and the company has not received the application money within 30 days from the issue of prospectus, then the company shall repay such amount within 15 days from the date of closure of issue. And in case the company fails to repay within the aforesaid limit, then the directors who are officers in default shall repay the amount along with the interest at the rate 15% per annum, and the company shall repay the money in the bank account from which the subscription was remitted. Now, as per Rule 12 of the Company's Allotment and Prospectus and Allotment of Securities Rule 2014, a company making allotment of security shall file Pass 3 for the return of allotment within 30 days. It shall include the particulars of the list of allottees along with their name, address, occupation, if any, and the number of securities which is allotted. If the shares have been issued for consideration other than cash, then a contract duly stamped shall be annexed, and in case the contract is not reduced into writing, then uh, the company shall furnish along with Pass 3 complete particulars of the contract stamped with the same stamp duty value as would have been payable in case the contract had been reduced into writing. A report of register valuate making valuation of consideration shall also be filed. In case further shares have been issued to outsiders, then under section 62(1)(c), then a report of registered valuer shall also be filed. Um, Section 40, the company making allotment. A company making offer of security, before making such offer, make an application to one or more recognized stock exchange or exchanges and obtain permission for the securities to be dealt with in such recognized stock exchange or exchanges. Where the company states in the prospectus that application has been made to the recognized stock exchange, it shall also list the name of the recognized stock exchange where the securities are to be dealt with. The application money received by the company shall be kept in a separate bank account in a scheduled bank and shall be utilized for following two purposes: for adjustment against allotment of securities, and second, for repayment of such amount if company fails to allot such securities. Any condition which binds the applicant to waive the compliance of the requirements of this section shall be considered void. A company may pay a commission to the underwriter subject to the following conditions. As per Rule 13 of the Company's Prospectus and Allotment of Securities Rule 2040, a company may pay underwriting commission by following conditions. First, if has been authorized by the articles of the company. Second, it can be paid out of the proceeds of the issue or profits or both of the company. Rate of commission shall not exceed, in case of shares, 5% of the issue price or such rate authorized by the articles, whichever is less, and in case of debenture, 2.5% of the issue price or rate authorized by articles, whichever is less. No commission shall be paid in case the offer is not made to the public. A copy of contract for the underwriting commission shall also file with the ROC. In the prospectus, the company shall state details of underwriter like name of the underwriter, amount and rate of the commission to be paid, and third, the number of securities to be underwritten by the underwriter.
क्या बात है बेटा, ऑलमोस्ट पूरा वर्ड टू वर्ड बोले, मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात है बेटा, एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट आंसर, बहुत बढ़िया।